Welcome to kiazsity's Programming Fundamental course. My name is Devinder Jatu. I am the founder of this institute and instructor of this course. First, a little bit about my professional background. I have a Bachelor of Science in Electronics Engineering Technology from DeVry University. For the last 15 years, I've been working in the IT industry for companies like IBM, where I worked as a documentum solution architect. We developed the core, the sports section of talusmobility.com site. At Rogers, I worked as a solution architect. At EMC Documentum, I worked over 9 years as a senior software engineer, and currently I'm working at Toyota Canada as a senior IT consultant. One of the most successful project that I worked on was for EMC Documentum, where I developed the core components of Documentum's most successful product, Content Transformation Services. It brought over $120 million of revenue over the last 12 years. This product has been deployed at major Fortune 500 companies like Pfizer, Disney, BBC, Rogers, GM, Ford, Citigroup, Bank of Canada, and many more. The purpose of this course. 30 years ago, Microsoft's Bill Gates and Apple's Steve Jobs were saying, we are going to put computer in every home, and people used to laugh at them. Today, not only they have put computer in almost every home, they have put computers in our pockets as smartphones. People use computers or smartphones in their daily life today to read newspapers. They go on Facebook or Twitter or send emails to communicate with their friends or family. They even use smartphones to take pictures these days. Most of the kids or high school students these days spend most of their time playing video games, mobile apps, or spend time on internet browsing their various websites. If you ask them what are the technologies behind these games, mobile apps, or web applications or internet, only few of them would be able to answer that. It's like as if they could read but not write. Instead of becoming mere consumer of these technologies, games, and apps, this 40 hours online course, which a student can take from their homes, will help them understand how the different technologies, how the different apps, games work, and they will be able to create their own apps, mobile apps, or games. This course will help them create mobile apps using a mobile framework, games during a game engine, and web applications using Java, Spring, JavaScript, JSON, Ajax, HTML5, SQL, and other programming languages. After taking this course, students will have a better understanding how games, web apps, and all these mobile apps work, and they will be able to develop their own applications. The cost of this course is $499, which will be available online on our company's e-learning portal. After taking this course, which would require watching 40 hours of videos, and when a student completes all the assignment, which would require additional 300 hours of programming, this skill set will help students to get a starting salary of $40 per hour anywhere in US or Canada. Now, who should take this course and why? Anyone who wants to make a starting salary of $40 should take this course. I would say any student from grade 6 to university, in fact, any service professional should take this course because programming is a must have skill set these days. It will definitely add value to your business or to your bottom line. This will definitely open a lot of opportunities for you and your business. Why programming is a must have skill set? 2 days ago, Canada's number one tech company, BlackBerry, launched their BlackBerry 10 smartphones. On their company's website, there is a $10,000 developers contest. The contest says if you develop a BlackBerry app today and your app got approved by the BlackBerry, and in the next 12 months, if your app makes $1,000, then BlackBerry would give you $9,000. Now, if you know how to develop mobile apps, you should definitely take part in this contest. Now let's look at Workopolis. This is Canada's number one job search site. If you put all the technologies that I mentioned a student will learn from this course, like mobile, you put mobile on Workopolis, you will get 700 job openings. You put Java, you will get 350. So you would see all the skill set you will be learning. There are hundreds of jobs available in Canada. All these job openings tell that programming is a must-have skill set today. Now let's look at some of the future trends and jobs, where the jobs will be. Today, when a person goes out of his home, he carries three things: keys, wallet, and smartphone. Your smartphone will replace the other two. This means new apps, more designing, troubleshooting, and developing app skills means programming skills. All the household appliances will be interconnected. Your refrigerator will have more knowledge about the kind of groceries you would need today or tomorrow. Your room temperature will be controlled by your smartphones, and you will not require three or four remote controls. You will require only one thing, that will be your smartphone. There will be robots for grass cutting, there will be robots for carpet cleaning, and there will be robots for other activities. All this means more programming, designing, and troubleshooting skills mean more programmer. Your car will be truly connected. It will communicate with traffic lights to improve the traffic flow. It will interact with other vehicles to prevent accidents. It will let you drag and drop a playlist from your home network. It will find the gas station with the deepest discount. It will notify you when someone dents your door and supply the footage of the accident. All this thing means more programming, designing, and troubleshooting skills. If you visit your doctor's office in the next and 5 years down the road, there will be more computers, more technology, even more robots at doctor's office. All your records will be electronic, means more programming, designing, and troubleshooting skills. There will be 3D printers. 25 years down the road, they would be able to build your whole house with 3D printers. It's going to be a totally different world. All these trends are showing that there is a one skill set that is must have today, that will be must have in the future, that is programming. A person can eat only 3 times a day but consume infinite services. With programming, you would be able to solve millions of problems, and you will be able to create millions new apps, products, and services. This course will also provide you a VMware image of all the development tools that would help you develop your applications. It will include Eclipse, Tomcat Web Server, MySQL and Oracle databases, Subversion source code management, Mantis defect tracking system, and Google App Engine SDK, and mobile framework. Life is a game of minutes and hours. When you study or get involved in an activity, the more minutes you would put, they would become hours. More hours would become days. Days would become weeks, and weeks would become years, and that would become your domain expertise. This course would require 40 hours of watching online videos and 300 hours of programming skills for assignments. After completing 350 hours of programming, this skill set will help you get a $40 per hour job anywhere in US and Canada. Now think about what are the chances a person can play for NHL or NBA or NFL. If you want to play for England soccer team, minimum practice hours could be 10,000 hours, and there won't be any guarantee that you will be one day playing for England. I have a colleague at Toyota, 29 years old, Canadian born Punjabi. He makes around $100 per hour at Toyota. He has another contract, he works remotely for another company, and he manages their servers remotely. He has 5 cars, 2 Beamers, 2 Mercedes, and recently bought a Mercedes Jeep, which I don't like it, but it's his money. He bought it for $140,000. He gave one Mercedes to his mom. One day we went out for a lunch. I asked him, "Wait, how did you do it? I don't see many 29 years old in our community like you." And he said he started at a very young age. When he was in high school, he started working for P-Board. He started working as a volunteer, managing their website servers. Then, with all the skill set, by the age of 90, he's making around $250 to $300,000 a year. After taking this course, your chances of getting a starting salary of 40 and one day 80 or $100 like week would be 99 times more than playing for Toronto Raptors.